Hi! Today we're gonna try to sneak out. Yeah, that's about it.
Next station, Hilpuyat Station.
So, I'm currently 16 and I'm this close to being an Alok. And I currently want to enjoy the time I have left staying young, beautiful, and unique. So I'm gonna follow what my sister once told me. Live for experiences more than anything else. So in this video, I'm gonna experience what most teenagers do except for drinking, vaping, and other bad stuff. We're gonna sneak out. Now, I'm pretty sure this is not what my sister meant, but now, before I start the video, just know that 97.4% of my viewers aren't subscribed. So, what are you doing? Subscribe now! Okay, so this is our itinerary. In my place, there's a lot of malls. And I mean a lot of malls. So, for day 1, let's go to malls. And for day 2, I'm thinking, let's go to a museum. And on day 3, why not just straight up explore? So for reference, I started in Uptown Mall. So this is where I was at. This is my starting point, my spawn point rather. And then I walked all the way to Market. So this is how far I walked because I don't know how to use public transportation. And according to Google, this is the only place nearby that has public transport available towards One Ayala. So I walked here, then I asked, oh, does this jeep go to One Ayala Mall? And it was like, yeah, it goes there. Some random type shit. So I rode the jeep, and then now I'm in One Ayala. So I'm gonna be just doing voiceovers since, you know, I'm not really an extrovert. So yeah, just excuse my really bad, excuse my really bad recording skills, but you know, I'll improve. I'll get there one day. I'll get there someday, you know. But right now, our first stop is One Ayala Mall. We're just gonna, you know, go around, walk around the mall. Nothing much, you know, just a basic starter kit, you know what I mean. And to our left, yeah, right. If you go down the escalator, it's gonna lead to another mall, which I'm gonna be planning to go later on. But for now, let's just, you know, go around this One Ayala Mall, and yeah, and just, you know, just keep exploring in a broke way. So as you can see, we're like on the most upper level of the mall, and if you've been wondering why my camera is so low, I'm holding my camera in a way that it's not obvious that I'm recording. So like I'm walking and my arm is just, you know, straight down. You won't even notice that I'm recording. And yeah, look, the view is nice, and yeah, just a regular mall. In this part, I tried to use an elevator so I could record, but this is what happened. So, so you know, after failing so miserably, I just decided to go back to the mall that I saw earlier, and then I roamed around that mall. So yeah, it's pretty cool. So you know, after roaming around the mall, I got pretty bored, so I decided to go to another mall named Mall of Asia. And I searched it up and I found out there's a bus terminal there going towards Mall of Asia. But there's this one small problem. Where in the world is this terminal? Excuse me po. Nasaan po yung bus terminal ng mga bus po? And there I go. Just I just went for it. I didn't understand a single thing he said, but he told me to turn right. What's next? So I just turned right and continued walking straight and hope for the best. You can't already tell. I don't know where the Okay, I found the bus terminal. But there's another problem. I don't know which bus I'm gonna take. So I'm just roaming around finding my right bus. Oh, hey, I found it. I'm so cool. So I waited until the next bus arrived, and yeah, I prepared my fare, got my ticket and everything, and yeah, look, the view is nice. And yeah, as soon as we got there, I just roamed around again. It's so fucking hot. I'm the only person here. So I just finished roaming around Mall of Asia, and guess what? The world's biggest IKEA is just right beside it. So I'm saying, why not go to the world's biggest IKEA? Since I didn't know how to get inside, I just decided to go back home. But unfortunately, as I was walking back home, something embarrassing unfortunately happened. There was this, so I was walking right, and there was this uneven pavement, and my shoe got caught on, and I flipping fell. My phone even dropped. I dropped my freaking phone. Everyone saw it, bro. It was in the middle of the mall. And then I heard people laughing, bro. I'm never going here ever again, bro. Never. So as I was walking back home, I suddenly got hungry, so I decided to go to a nearby ramen shop and eat ramen. So yeah.
Next station, Hill Puyat Station.
I didn't want this video to be boring, so I tried my best to like cut.
Today I'm gonna face my fear. It's actually not that bad.
Hello, everybody.
What the Dude, that's crazy, dude. I hate. Oh, frick. What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck? Go there.
So yeah, after exploring one museum, I decided to go to the park since I didn't have enough time to explore all of them. So yeah, here's a quick time lapse. So as you can see, it's currently nighttime and I was kinda hungry, so I decided to eat dinner. So fortunately, there was a Popeyes branch near the station, so I decided to just eat dinner there. And after that, I went to the station and took a train back home.
Next station, Kravitz Station. Next station, Ayala Station. Excuse me, this is Ayala Station. All passengers, please keep the trains and stations clean and smoke-free. Please refrain from eating or drinking. And smoking of any kind.
And that's it for today's video. If you made it until the end of this video, I just want to start with thank you so much for watching. And yeah, this is gonna be a new series where I try to experience everything, hence why it's called The Experience. And I know that no one genuinely watches my videos because like I started this channel when I was 10, so that was like in 2019, but these videos will definitely be worth it in the future because I'm uploading not for the sake of the views, but for me, for something to look back on a few years from now. And I do admit that I kinda cheated on the third day, and the thumbnail was kinda misleading since I did go with my brother, but I mean, it still counts as an experience, right? And also, as I've said before, I will definitely make an attempt to improve the way I film for, the both of us. So, yeah. That's about it. Bye bye.
Hear me now. You get to hear me now. You get to hear me now.